Easter weekend, and we are back with some delicious brunch ideas that the whole family will love.
Dina, Deleasa-Gonsar, also known as the food blogger Dish It Girl, is here to share 2 recipes from her new cookbook, At the Kitchen Sink. And you can scan the QR code to follow along.
Hi, Dina. How are you?
Thank you for having me this morning. This is exciting.
We're so excited. And you're starting with a bagel recipe, and we feel like that is inspired by Tyra's bagel obsession.
Yes.
You have a bagel.
She has a bagel.
I love that.
What did I call it? Bagelization?
Yeah, bagelization.
Bagelization.
She's into bagels.
Yes, this is the bagelization
As
situation.
am I, and that's where this came from. Just the love for that Jersey bagel breakfast sandwich. It's piled with your cheddar cheese. You have Taylor ham or pork roll. There's a big argument that might happen online. After
What's Taylor ham, though? I've never heard of Taylor ham.
So it's
like Taylor Swift ham.
Taylor Swift ham. She's gonna love it. It's pork. It's nothing to be afraid of, but it's tasty. It gets really nice and browned. And
But why are people against it?
They're not against it. It's the name. It depends upon where in Jersey you live.
Oh.
You're calling it pork roll or Taylor ham, like sauce
it's
or
in a
gravy
roll.
with Italians. Yes, and you just slice it up. And
it's like
when
a big
I
sausage.
start working with it, I like to brown it, but I also like to cut little slits in the side because when you put it in the pan, it's going to start to bubble up on you.
Oh, like bologna.
If you don't. Yep.
Yeah,
kind
you know
of like
bologna
that.
sandwiches and you do
kind
it and
of
it
like
does the
that.
bubble?
Yeah.
No, I don't remember that.
Oh, yeah,
It
no,
sizzles. It's good. If you like bacon, you should try
Taylor ham.
the Taylor ham.
My
for
family's
sure.
big bacon family.
I love bacon.
All right,
too?
so this is what you can go. This something new to go for. And what we do is we just saute it till it gets nice and brown and crispy on either side. It's really simple. This is a great make-ahead brunch meal, which is awesome. I mean, if you're a busy mom, busy woman.
And if you're thinking Easter morning, you're going to be busy. Okay, you have a lot of eggs. That's very expensive.
I know. A lot of eggs right now. But it's a holiday. It's a holiday. It's something special. And then we're going to pour some milk into there. We're going to season it with some salt.
Ooh, a lot of
and
milk.
pepper. It is
more milk than
I never knew you were supposed to put
You're doing the whole thing?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. I know. But
it's like an egg smoothie.
It is.
What is going on?
Well, it's going to go on top of these bagels.
It's going to include everything.
We have some delicious Jersey bagels. Thank you, Katie.
Yes.
She actually got Jersey bagels?
Jersey bagels from our friends at O Bagels. I mean, it is something special. And we're going to go in with some everything bagel seasoning right here.
Okay. And so the star of the show are these bagels, right?
Yeah, let's move down here because
and then you're gonna pour that, and then so how long do we soak it?
And we're gonna cover it up, and we're gonna let it soak overnight. So that's why you have so much milk and eggs in here. This is gonna all come
kind
together.
Of frittata.
Is
that what it's called?
It almost feels like a bread pudding.
You're right, Tyra.
Bread pudding?
It is almost like a bread pudding. And we're going to get some cheese over top.
A brittata. Or stracciata. What's the one
that... Strata.
Strata.
What is that?
Strata.
Strata's like a bread egg dish, just like this.
Jenna knows her stuff.
I mean, I've only made it once.
And then we're going to get some cream cheese on the top of there. And if you want to get really crazy, after you've baked it up, you want to serve it with some ketchup over top. Some people love ketchup on their eggs. Some people are...
Okay, we only have a few seconds. Zach is yelling at me. I know we have this amazing carrot cake.
Pancakes, which are really delicious.
We try
perfect for Easter.
Wow.
And all you need to do here is you're going to take some of the carrots and put it into your pancake mix. You can make this the night before, which is really
And you put like
amazing.
cinnamon in it and stuff?
There's cinnamon, there's some ginger in there, and then it's got a really great cream cheese icing drizzle over top. And if you're making the pancakes, just a little fun tip, you know that they're ready to flip when you see the little bubbles form on top. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, great. You can tell neither one of us spend that much time in the kitchen, but we like to eat. Dina, you're the best. Congratulations on your book. And for this recipe and more, go to today.com/food and find Dina's cookbook At the Kitchen Sink. You can head to today.com/books or